An Olympic swimmer. High flying and powerful.
We're gonna see all of that and more. These behaviors contribute to an environment that is full of enrichment.
We spend days, weeks, months, and years building relationships with our whales. This creates trust, and that allows us to do some amazing things. For example, when you visit the doctor, you present your arm to draw blood, or step on the scale to see how much you weigh. It's much the same with our whales.
Today, you'll see the whales moving together in unison. These synchronized behaviors strengthen social bonds and enable the whales to problem solve as a group. Working together as a team makes them the ocean's top predator. Scientifically known as Orcinus orca, but commonly referred to as killer whales, here at SeaWorld, we know them as Katina, Milani, Malia, Trua, and Makayo, our killer whale family. Makayo is our youngest whale at just 14 years old, and our oldest whale is Makayo's mother, Katina, who is also the matriarch or leader of our pod. SeaWorld's animal training techniques create a language between us and the whales. It's a language of learning through positive reinforcement, encouragement, commitment, and care. Through these techniques and our relationships, the whales learn to trust us. They even learn to take an active role in their very own health and well-being. Now, every time we interact with our killer whales, we call these sessions, and we do a wide variety of them here at Orca Stadium. Now, some of these sessions can be husbandry or healthcare sessions. We can do exercise sessions where we get their heart rates up and we ask them for a wide variety of behaviors that really make sure they're staying nice and healthy. We can do relate sessions where we interact with them and just ask them to stay with us, and we give them all different types of reinforcement, and it allows us to build our relationships with the whales. Some of our favorite ones to do are even playtime sessions where we get reach for a variety of reasons. It might be to scratch an itch, to stun their prey, or simply to show off. Welcome to the Soak Zone, everyone. Let's give it up one more time. You guys, because you guys are in front of her, not me. So she was paying very close attention to all of you. Killer whales are very curious and will often spy hop or jump completely out of the water to get a better look around at their environment. Malia's gonna pop up again right here in the center. When you see her, give her a big cheer. All right, let's see if we're gonna move on to this side. All right, right side of the stadium. Everybody on your feet. You guys are gonna help us out with an even bigger behavior